Hey, welcome back. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where your emotions have taken over? Maybe during a heated meeting or a stressful conversation at home. Or have you ever struggled to communicate how you really feel, leading to misunderstandings and frustration? If you've been nodding yes, then this video is for you. Emotional intelligence is one of the most important skills that you can develop, both for your personal growth and career success. But what exactly is emotional intelligence and how can it help you? Well, that's what we are diving into today, along with some expert advice on how you can start cultivating this powerful skill. Emotional intelligence is the ability where you recognize, understand, and manage your emotions, as well as the emotions of others. It might sound simple, but when I started to focus on developing this skill, I realized how much it affected my decisions, my relationships, and my overall sense of happiness. I want to share with you the 5 key elements of emotional intelligence and how they can help you to transform the way you interact with others and handle the challenging situations in your life. So self-awareness is the foundation of emotional intelligence. When I started to practice self-awareness, I was amazed at how many emotions I had buried and ignored. Recognizing your feelings in the moment is essential. For example, I remember feeling frustration building up during an important client call. Rather than letting that frustration control my response, I paused and acknowledged what I was feeling. Take a moment to check in with yourself how you're feeling throughout the day. How do you feel? What emotions are you experiencing right now? This practice of self-reflection is essential in increasing your emotional awareness, and it gives you the opportunity to pause before reacting. The next step is self-regulation, which is all about managing your emotions instead of being controlled by them. I know it's tempting to react quickly, especially in stressful situations, but learning to pause and think before responding can have a profound effect. When I was managing multiple projects at once, stress would often overwhelm me. So instead of snapping at my colleagues or clients, I started practicing self-regulation by taking few deep breaths, counting to 10, and consciously deciding how I wanted to respond. This not just helped me maintain my professionalism, but also have that emotional balance. Empathy is a crucial skill for building strong relationships. It's not just about listening to someone, it's about genuinely understanding their emotions and responding in a way that shows that you care. When I was in the corporate environment, I realized that the best leaders were the ones who took time to understand the emotions of their team members. I remember it was during a presentation where one of my colleagues was really stressed. And instead of dismissing their feelings, I acknowledged them and offered my support. And this simple act of empathy not just strengthened our work relationship, but also helped them perform better. So practice empathy by actively listening to others and trying to understand their perspective without judgment. Developing social skills is a key to nurturing relationships at work and in your personal life. Social skills aren't just about being able to talk to anyone, but about your emotional awareness and empathy to navigate through any conversation effectively. For example, I've worked with professionals who've struggled to build connections because they didn't know how to relate with others. One strategy that helped me was actively engaging in conversations with genuine interest of understanding others. This not only improved my relationships with them, but helped me establish trust and rapport in my professional interactions. And finally, emotional intelligence involves motivation. Motivating yourself when things are tough is a powerful tool. When I was overwhelmed by work and life pressures, I focused on my long-term goals and used my emotions as fuel for action. Ask yourself, what drives you? What motivates you even when you're feeling exhausted or discouraged? Your emotional energy can be a great source of motivation. So learning to channel it into your goals is essential for success. And if you want to take emotional intelligence to the next level, then I invite you to reflect on these 5 elements and start implementing them into your daily life. By increasing your emotional intelligence, you can become more self-aware, manage your emotions better, build strong relationships, and ultimately create a fulfilling life for yourself. And if you want my personalized guidance in developing emotional intelligence, I'm here to help. Reach out to me using my email ID given down in the description box, or you can book a consultation with me where we can sit and discuss about your life and how I can help you to navigate through it effectively. Let's dive deeper into how you can harness your emotions for success. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please like, share and comment below with your thoughts on emotional intelligence. And also think and tell me which element of emotional intelligence do you think you need to work on. I would love to hear that from you. I'll see you in the next video.